Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today is our fifth tutorial, and in this tutorial we will see a load method. This is our previous tutorials. If you till not access our previous video or previous tutorial, you can access, and you can also go through our playlist, that is MongoDB tutorial. And if you like our content, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's come to our point. Our point is a load method. So now load method is used to load to insert a bulk of document. In a previous video, we will see we have already seen in a previous video insert operation. When you have a bulk of document and you want to insert it, then it take a lot of time by using the insert operation, so that this load method is used. Now this is our databases. Now we use access database, that is eagle. So collection. Now there is only one collection, that is employee, EMP. Now we will use a load method. For that, firstly go to our any drive, local disk. I go through a local disk D, and here I have create a new text file, that is, and I rename it, that is hello.txt. Okay. Now inside that I will write a command, that is insert many, then a name Virendra, roll number 12, name Samartha, roll number 13, and if you have a number of document, you can add here. For example, uh, name Roshan, name Roshan, and roll number 15, and close bracket. We can add a number of document here by using this, and press a Control S and save it. Now go to file, go save as, and change your name, because we want the JavaScript file. So put it a JS and save it. Now there is see there is new file is created, that is hello.js. Now we want this JS file. Now open our command prompt, but you have to open your command prompt from here. So click here, this text bar, and type a cmd, press enter. Now your command prompt is ready. Now I will start my server, that is mongo mongo shell server. Then I use that eagle, show collection, that is we see only here is a one collection, that is employee. And in our javascript file, there is a we mention here, that is employee. If we change here, that is employee 2 name, and save it, then this this employee 2 collection, there is not exist in our database. See, there is only employer, but we mention it employee 2, then it will automatically create it. How it is happen, let's see. So first I write a command, that is load, then in bracket We have to mention here a path. Here a path. What is our path? Our path is I am in a D drive now in a forward slash. I'm in a D drive. And here the name of our file is that is hello.js. Press enter. There it is show a true means our document is successfully inserted. Then we have to check it. That is employee. Firstly, we will see our second collection that is employee 2 is created or not because we have there is no employee 2 collection, but in our file we mention a employee 2 collection and inside that this document will be inserted. So we will see by using show collection. Now see here is a employee 2 collection already created. So if there is no collection created, but you mention in this command, then this collection will be created. Now write a command that is db dot employee2 dot find. Press enter. Now this Virendra, Samarth, and Roshan, this all file are inserted successfully. This is a nothing but a load method. By using load method, we can insert a bulk of document by using only one command. So this is all about today's video. In our next video, we will see about our object ID. So if you like our video, our content, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and we'll see in our next video. Bye bye.